I know we have a beautiful destination. I know how kind you are. Alam ko magiging maganda yung family natin. Yung future family na bubuhin natin.
Now it's happening. I've seen lightning strike 1,000 times, but you took me by surprise.
Aya, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Keith na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo.
That I do. Sunsets, firesides, and blankets, jokes that only we get, summer symphonies, changing, gentle like the
Today,
seasons. You
I vow
are my
to love you as I did yesterday and will tomorrow.
I never believed in perfect time, and I don't know how, but I just know now. Oh, I don't care
Keith,
how.
bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Aya na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Ate.
That I do.
Thank you for loving me unconditionally, loving like my parents. Hindi lang as parang boyfriend. Thank you for always supporting me in everything I do. Sa lahat ng gusto kong gawin sa buhay, nandiyan ka lang to support.
It's a beautiful ride with you always. Can't wait to be your wifey. Hope you like my gift. To more adventure together, I love you so much. Love, Aya.
I vow, I promise to be strong when you are weak. Pagka meron kang pinagdadaanan, I'll be strong. And just remember, I'm just here. Sa tabi mo lang, nasa likod mo lang. If you have anything na pinagdadaanan, I'm just here.
Ito'y hindi panaginip lang. Hindi ko
Keith, defend your wife by loving her first, foremost, and only. And Aya, protect and defend your husband. Siya ang priority. Build your home, build your family.
lalim ng bituin habang ako'y nakatingin sa'yo. Wala na akong ibang mahihiling. Saksi ang langit sa atin.
And let us build a home, a life, and a family from our bands of true love and our vow to stick forever together through all life's challenges. I love you so much.
Keith and Aya, simula sa araw na ito ay magpapalaot kayo sa buhay ng pag-aasawa. Simula sa araw na ito, ay maglalayag kayo. Enjoy your journey together. But not only that you are together, God will be with you.